In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a HubSpot pipeline for customer onboarding. Whether you're just getting started or need a little refresh, this guide will help you streamline your onboarding process efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, glance up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. Now, instead of entering your credentials manually, why not save some time? Select the option to sign in with Google and choose your desired Google account. This quick login feature makes accessing your HubSpot account faster and more convenient. Next, we'll move into the heart of HubSpot, your customer relationship management, or CRM. You can do this by clicking the CRM link conveniently provided on the HubSpot main interface. Once you're in the CRM section, the next step is to look for tickets from the menu. Selecting tickets transports you to the area where you can begin structuring your onboarding pipeline. Now, you'll see at the top an option for all pipelines in a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click that drop-down. Here, you'll select Edit Pipelines so you can customize your onboarding stages. This setup tailoring allows you to match the exact needs of your onboarding process to make sure everything runs smoothly. With the pipeline editor open, you're ready to start building your onboarding stages. First, go ahead and type in Ready for Onboarding. This is your initial stage, indicating that a customer is all set to start their journey with your service or product. Following that, type in Kickoff as the next stage. This phase usually refers to the introductory meeting or call that you have with a new customer to explain the onboarding flow and timelines. Next up is Account Setup. Now, this stage is critical as it involves getting all necessary accounts or software configured for the customer's use. It's imperative for ensuring that everything is in place for them to utilize your offerings effectively. Following account setup, enter training. This stage is dedicated to getting your customer familiar with your product. It may involve tailored sessions, demos, or resources that they'll need to use your service confidently. Once training is complete, you'll want to move to the launch stage. This step marks the official moment your customer fully engages with your service independently. But we're not done yet. Let's add one more important step. Click Add Status to insert a step labeled Onboarding Complete. This confirms that the customer is set up and using your system without assistance. Lastly, create an additional status called Onboarding Failed, serving as a flag for any customers who did not successfully complete the onboarding. This ensures your team can follow up as needed. Finally, after reviewing your stages, click Save to keep your newly tailored pipeline ready for onboarding customers seamlessly. And there you have it. Your customer onboarding pipeline is complete. This setup will help streamline processes and provide clarity across your team, ultimately benefiting your customers through efficient onboarding experiences. If you have any questions or need further tips, be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching and happy onboarding.